Sometimes, minor accident can leave ugly, frustrating cracks on your bathroom sink. Today I'm showing you how to tackle a repair on a porcelain basin. First, we need to prepare the surface. I've started by gently sanding the edges of the crack. This isn't just to smooth it out, it's crucial for creating a tooth or a rougher texture, which helps the adhesive material bond much more effectively to the ceramics. Now it's time to mix our filler. I'm using Marmalade, high quality 2-part polyester based filler that is ideal for stones and ceramic surfaces. For this repair, I'm working on a small plastic plate to keep things clean. I'm carefully dispensing the main base compound, followed by a precise amount of the hardener. Getting the ratio right is the secret to the durable repair. Too little hardener and it won't cure. Too much and it's become brittle and cracks again. Using a putty knife, I'm thoroughly blending the two compounds together. You want completely uniform color with no strikes. Once it's mixed, it's a race against time before it starts to harden. So I'm transferring the material onto the applicator, ready for the fill. Now for the application. I'm applying the filler directly into the crack, using firm pressure to ensure it fills the entire depth of the void. I'm aiming for a slight overfill, just enough to sit slightly above the surface, as this allowed for sanding it down perfectly flat later. After giving the filler ample time to cure, I'm using a clean cloth, lightly dampened with a solvent, to wipe away any excess material and smooth out the edges before the final sanding. With the final pass of fine grit sandpaper, we level it off, creating a smooth transition between the new filler and the old ceramic. And just like that, the crack is filled, the integrity is restored, and your sink looks much better than before. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more professional home repair tips. Thanks for watching.